Fabi for those of you who don't know me, and in today's video I am going to go over my thoughts on the Makeup Revolution and the Emily Edit The Wands palette. I also include a tutorial for those of you who are interested. So without any delays, let's jump into my mini review so that you can recreate this look right after. Let me start this video by saying that when I ordered this palette, I second guessed myself 102 million times, simply because the Makeup Revolution formula has always been a hit or miss for me. But Emily is one of my favorite YouTubers, so I knew automatically that I wanted to support her. In the process, when the eyeshadow palette was on its way, I was a little perplexed. I was like, the eyeshadow palette is just terrible. I'm going to have to return it. It's $20. But I decided, hey, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. I have to give it a chance. And I've spent money supporting other brands that I wasn't too happy with. So I went full-heartedly on towards this palette. When I received it, I was pleasantly surprised because the colors that this eyeshadow palette has are beautiful. I decided not to do any swatches because by this point in time there are plenty of channels that have swatched these eyeshadows for you already. I'm simply going to give you my perspective on them. Are there eyeshadows that I've used that are better quality than this? Yes. But let's take into consideration that Miss Emily Noel probably wanted to make the eyeshadows accessible to most of her fans, and of course she collaborated with an affordable brand. The eyeshadows are very good for the price, don't get me wrong. You'll see that when I'm working with these eyeshadows on the demo, I don't struggle blending them. The only thing is that I do have to build some of them up. I don't mind, that simply gave me more control of the product, and the colors that this eyeshadow palette offers are beautiful. And the positivity that you encounter upon opening this palette is incredible. The names are Prayer, Grateful, Good Vibes, Side Hustle, Fifi, Belle, Cheer, Laugh, Cry, Cupcake, Heartbeat. And if you know Miss Emily Noel, she's just full of positivity, and because of that, I really look up to her. She's drama-free. She's all about makeup, all about spreading positive vibes and love. So I do not regret purchasing this eyeshadow palette at all. I love this look that I created. I already took this look to work and I rocked it with a red lip. I just really enjoy this palette as a whole. I really enjoy the eyeshadows that I've used. I haven't had a problem blending them. Again, the only thing that I've had to do is build them up, including the transition shades, Midwest and Hobby. I felt like I had to build them up quite a bit. The eye look turned out wonderfully, and to be honest, I cannot wait to play with this palette some more and create more looks. It definitely inspires me, and it has gorgeous, gorgeous purple shades. I do want to speak about the packaging very quickly, and the packaging is plastic. It's very pretty. The color is a wonderful peachy nude. It's very classy, just like Miss Emily Noel. It has a bomb mirror. It works, it stays put. You don't have to hold it. It's probably not travel friendly because it's so big, but I adore the palette for an everyday use. Again, it even has a mirror if you want to apply this before work and you have this on the car. You won't struggle trying to hold a mirror. This holds itself up. So as a whole, I really enjoy the packaging, even though some people don't like plastic. To me, give it a thumbs up. I am going to stop rambling and I'm going to transfer you right into this tutorial so that I can show you how I came up with this eye look right here. We are going to begin this eye tutorial by combining two shades, and I am going to be combining the shades Hobby and Midwest. Hobby is this one up here, and then Midwest is this one. I am going to be combining both on this fluffy blending brush, and those are the colors that I will be using as my transition shade. smaller blending brush, I am going to apply the color Fifi. And this shade is going to go a little tighter around my crease. With this fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go in over everything just to make sure that everything is very well blended, or at least blended enough. By the way, the brush has no additional product. I'm simply going over everything with the same brush that I added the crease color with. I am going to be adding the color Capricorn all over my eyelid. I am going to be applying setting spray on the brush simply so that the color can intensify. And as you can see, it does have fallout, but we'll clean that up right away. Something very nice about this palette is the mirror. The eyeshadows, they've all worked very nicely. I've had to build up some of the colors, but I don't have a problem building them up. With the smaller blending brush, I am going to take the color Cheer and I'm going to apply it very close to my lid shade. Just to add a little bit of, I don't know, this is just a very lovely color. I am going to take the color Fifi one more time and I am going to apply that around my lid shade as well. I don't want to lose a purple, and Fifi is a beautiful, beautiful purple. I am going to take Capricorn one more time and I'm just going to make sure that my lid shade looks fresh and metallic. With my fluffy blending brush and no additional product, I'm simply going to make sure that everything is kind of looking tied up together. With this pencil brush, I am going to take the color Fifi and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner, very close to my lower lash line. With the same pencil brush, I am going to take the color Laugh Cry, and this is just going to add something extra on my lower lash line. I'm going to use Laugh Cry to blend the color Fifi out. And again, it just adds an extra pop, something different. For my inner corner highlight, I am going to be applying the color Eve Rose. I'm very impressed with the color Eve Rose. It looks beautiful as a highlight. It's just a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm actually going to apply some of the eyeshadow on top of my lips as well. That's the color Eve Rose. Very, very nice. And so far, this is what we have when it comes to the eye look. Now, very quickly, I am going to apply eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be back in a flash. Don't go anywhere. You know the process very quickly. 1, 2, 3. And like a true champ, I did do the rest of my makeup, but when it comes to eye products, I did use the Essence eyeliner pen in waterproof for eyeliner, and I simply created a thin line. For mascara, I did use the Benefit Roller Lash. We've come to the end of this video. Hopefully you found it helpful or interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell button for notifications. Leave your comments and requests down below, and I'll see you around next time. Have a very wonderful day or a very lovely night. Goodbye.